Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Inas Mutiana Jua with ID number is 205240031. In this video, I will present a summary of 7 important topics in Islamic studies, methodology or methodology Islam. Study Islam, I'm sorry. Number 1, Introduction to Islamic Studies Methodology, the history and development of Islamic studies in the world, religion in human life, characteristic and dimension of Islamic teachings, Islam as a cultural phenomenon, methods in Islamic studies, religious research and research religion. So let's begin with the first topic. First, let us discuss the introduction to Islamic studies methodology. Islamic studies is a field of knowledge that studies Islam comprehensively. It discusses Islamic teaching, history, culture, values, and practice in human life. Meanwhile, methodology refers to the methods or approach used to understand and study Islam scientifically and systematically. The purpose of Islamic studies is not only to deepen religion understanding, but also to help people apply Islamic values in everyday life. Islamic studies combines a religious knowledge with a scientific approach. Therefore, studying Islam require critical thinking, analysis, the appropriate research methods. There are two important sources in Islam studies, the Quran and the Hadith. This source become the foundation for understanding Islamic teachings. In modern times, Islamic studies also involve interdisciplinary approach such as sociology, anthropology, history, philosophy, and psychology. As a result, Islamic studies become broader and more relevant to social development and modern civilization. Okay, next the second topic is the history and development of Islamic studies in the world. Islamic studies began during the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. At the time, the Prophet directly taught the Quran and Islamic values to his companions. After the Prophet death, Islamic knowledge continued to develop rapidly during the Islamic Golden Age. Many Muslim scholars contribute greatly to science, philosophy, medicine, astronomy, and theology. For example, is Imam Al-Ghazali in theology and philosophy, Ibn Sina in medicine, Ibn Khaldun in sociology and history. Islamic Learning Center development in cities such as Mecca, Madinah, Baghdad, Cairo, Cordoba. So in the modern era, Islamic studies spread to Western university. Many universities in Europe and America established Department of Islamic Studies. Today, Islamic studies is studied global through various perspectives. There are four perspective: religion perspective, historical perspective, social perspective, and cultural perspective. This development shows that Islam is not only a religion but also a civilization that influences world history. The third topic is religion in human life. Religion plays an important role in human life because it gives a meaning, guidance, and moral values. Humans naturally seek peace, truth, and purpose in life. Religion answers these needs by teaching ethical values and spiritual awareness. In Islam, religion guides humans in their relationship with Allah, other people, nature, themselves. So, religion also functions as the social control, moral guidance, spiritual support, a search of peace. For example, Islamic teachings encourage is honesty, justice, discipline, responsibility, and compassion. Religion also strengthens social relationship through activities such as prayer, charity, and community service. In difficult situations, religion helps People stay patient and optimistic. Therefore, religion has a both individual and social function in human life. The first topic is the characteristic and dimension of Islamic teachings. Islam is complete and universal religion in teachings cover all aspects of human life. Some characteristics of Islam are universal, balanced, flexible, realistic, comprehensive. So Islam teach balance between spiritual and physical needs, individual and social responsibility, worldly life, and the hereafter. Islamic teaching also contains several dimensions. First is the dimension of Aqidah or faith. These dimensions focus on belief in Allah, angels, holy books, prophets, the day of judgment, and destiny. Second is Sharia, which refers to Islam laws and rules that regulate worship and social life. Third is akhlak or morality. These dimensions emphasize good character and ethical behavior. These three dimensions are interconnected and form the foundation of Islamic life. Islam encourages Muslims to become a faithful, knowledgeable, and morally responsible individuals. Okay, next is the fifth topic is Islam as a cultural phenomenon. Culture. I'm sorry. Next is the fifth topic is Islam as a culture phenomenon. Islam is not only a religion but also part of culture and civilizations. When Islam spread to different regions in interact with local traditions and culture. As a result, Islam culture developed uniquely and different societies. For example, Islam architecture, Islamic art, traditional Islamic clothing, literature, and calligraphy. In Indonesia, Islam blend with local traditions peacefully. This can be seen in Islamic celebrations, local costume, and traditional arts. However, Islam also filter culture based on Islamic values. Positive culture elements are accepted, while perspective against Islamic teachings are rejected. Therefore, Islam and culture have a dynamic relationship. Studying Islam as a culture phenomenon helps us understand how Muslim is practiced religion in different social content. It also teaches tolerance and appreciations for culture destiny diversity within the Muslim world. Next is the sixth topic is methods in Islamic studies. To understand Islam deeply, scholars use various methods and approach. One important method is the theological approach. This approach studies Islam based on religious belief and sacred texts. Another method is the historical approach. This method examines Islamic event and development throughout history. There is also the sociologically approach, which studies the relationship between Islam and society. The anthropological approach studies Islamic traditions and culture practice. So, in addition, the philosophical approach focuses on logic, reasoning, and critical thinking in understanding Islam. Researcher may also use comparative methods, quantitative research. Using a different methods helps a scholar understand Islam more objectively and comprehensively. As a student, we should learn to analyze Islamic issues critically while still respecting religious values. Okay, the last topic is religious research and researcher on religion. These two concepts are related but different. These two religious research studies religious teaching based on faith and doctrine. Its purpose is to strengthen understanding and religious values. Meanwhile, research on religion studies religion as a social and cultural phenomenon. This type of researcher use scientific methods and objective analysis. For example, is studying religion behavior in society, analyzing interfaith relations, researching religion traditions. Research on religion may involve observation, interview, documentation, and survey. In Islamic studies, both types of research are important because they help us understanding religions from different perspectives. Good research should be systematic, objective, valid, and ethical. Researcher must also respect religious sensitivity and culture diversity. Through research, Islamic studies can continue to contribute to education, social harmony, and intellectual development. So, in conclusion, Islamic studies methodology help us understanding Islam so scientifically, critically, and comprehensively. The seven topic we discussed today show that Islam is not only about worship, but also about history, culture, society, morality, and research. So many um, topics, yes. And by studying Islam properly, we can become more knowledgeable, tolerant, and responsibility individuals. Hopefully, this presentation is useful and increase our understanding of Islamic studies. Thank you so much for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.